Angela, guys, and today we're here. Ultimate performer, and this is behind.
Alive!
Acting games and
I can't believe it.
yeah, I can't believe you eat those. And I'm about to do my showcase.
Okay, let me go to the bathroom.